Raising the bar, aiming higher in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, raise the bar. It's a metaphorical expression you might have heard in various contexts. But what does it really mean? Stick around to find out. Raise the bar originally comes from the world of athletics, specifically high jump or pole vaulting, where the bar represents the height athletes must clear. To raise the bar means to set a higher standard or goal. When we use this phrase in everyday English, it means to increase the level of expectation or quality required. This phrase is used in many areas of life, including business, personal development, and education. For example, if a student improves the quality of their essays significantly, a teacher might say they have raised the bar for their classwork. Let's put raise the bar into action with some examples. The new manager raised the bar for customer service, leading to better reviews. This year's innovation conference really raised the bar on what we expect from tech releases. Understanding synonyms can help expand your vocabulary. Some synonyms for raise the bar include elevate standards, set a higher benchmark, increase expectations. And that's a wrap on raising the bar. Whether you're aiming to lift your own standards or witness it happening around you, now you know how to talk about it in English. Keep aiming high, and you'll naturally raise the bar in your language learning journey. See you next time.